Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Sticks in Charge. You guys, I am back with some more crabs. I'm trying to get some stuff cleaned out of my freezer, everybody, because I need to go to the grocery store. So don't worry, I'm shaking some number 2 in a ramekin. So this is Joe number 2. It's like Old Bay seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle some on the corn. I have butter and black pepper in the corn, everybody. I'm just gonna put some of this seasoning on here. And I'm gonna put a little bit in the crabs too. So the corn has butter, black pepper, and this Old Bay stuff. Well, it's Joe number 2. I'm gonna put some vinegar in a ramekin, because I love vinegar on crabs. But somebody told me, put hot sauce in this stuff. So I'm gonna do it. I'm not a butter person, so let me just put hot sauce on everything. This is how I like my crabs, everybody. I know people eat things differently, but I'm in Maryland, so that's how I'm gonna hook my crabs up. And as you can see, I'm drinking unsweetened tea. So hopefully, I'm right-handed. Let me get the glass on this side. So let's say grace, and let's dig into this deliciousness. Bow your heads. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive to provide the nourishment for my body. Lord, please let this food be the nourishment that I need to keep me healthy and strong. In Jesus' name I do pray, amen. And Lord, thank you so much for my many, many blessings. I appreciate it. I bust one on camera. I was going to eat it, you all the crab, but it's too freaking hot. I just took this out the pot. Yeah. I did crabs on my live one day. The crabs are so good. Oh, my thumbnail. Here we go. I do a corn and a crab. Let's slide them out the way. Here we go. That's the thumbnail. Let me eat some corn. I keep my drink over here. I might spill it. Oh, God. This is frozen corn. Look. Get a bite. Butter, black pepper, and Old Bay. And hot sauce. So good. Thank you, everybody, for supporting my channel, watching my videos, sharing me out, thumbs me up, and leaving me a comment. I appreciate it. I really do. Okay. Okay, this crab wants to be stubborn. Come on out of there, sucker. You are going to be devoured. There we go. So good. Don't worry. I'm going to get some of that sauce too. I'm going to stir them up. Oh, that hot sauce is good in there. It's very good. a soul food crab dish. This is how we colorful eat our crabs, you all. Gotta have the hot sauce and the vinegar on this sucker. Adds some depth of flavor. Try it out. You might like it. I think you would like it. On the corn. Here. Let's dip it in here. I do like vinegar in my corn. I know it's crazy, guys, but my mouth's a mess. So good. So good. Okay. This one I bust open earlier. Guys, look at that crab. Y'all see that? Look at all that goodness. These crabs are a nice size also. Guys, I got my face looks a mess. I know it does. But I'm eating crabs, y'all. Excuse the presentation. Just let me enjoy my food, please. I want to enjoy my food. So, if you live on the East Coast, or if you ever visit the East Coast, I highly recommend, if you love seafood, get some good fresh seafood, not frozen, get it fresh, and eat it. I'm going to tell you, it is so good. It is very, very good. I really enjoy it. Okay. Mess. So this is going to be a messy video. I'm going to apologize ahead of time. It's going to be messy, everybody. My hands will be messy. My mouth's going to be messy. My teeth going to look nasty and messy. But hey, look at that. That hot sauce and vinegar and all bit together. Ooh, it's good. I took some training courses for my full-time job, everybody. I took 2 classes. The third one couldn't launch for some strange reason. So I'm going to try it again. Get my corn. Guys, this corn is so good. Hold up. Okay. I thought I got stuff on the inside of my glass. It's on the outside of my glass. Guys, I still got to deliver one more thing. It's personal though. I'm going to do that tomorrow. I should do it today. I might do it today. The leg work, the leg part of it's finished. God. I'm sorry. A seafood boil This is not a seafood boil though. Must have corn, and you must have eggs, and you must have sausage. The potatoes, I can take it or leave it. Well, let's say potatoes also. If you don't have those items, you're doing it wrong. This corn didn't stand a chance at life. All right. All right, guys, say it with me. You're right. It's tossing time. Oh, let's lick them up. Look how big this crab is. These are large males. I got these from Captain White's in Oxon Hill, Maryland. And I got a dozen. I want to say this is like $39 for a dozen, which is not bad. I think when you go to like places like Captain White, it's cheaper than a grocery store. I think it is. But you have to also know what stores to go to. And sometimes the international market, it can be cheaper. Sometimes I don't think their prices are cheaper. I think it all depends on which day you go, like if it's a holiday or whatever. That all plays a part in. Now these supposed to be male crabs, so why do male crabs got mustard in it? Mustard. Like devil egg filling. That's what I need, some devil eggs. This is so good. Like these small legs, it's like a waste of time to even open this stuff up and eat it. Because there ain't nothing in there but air and gas, trap gas. All right, let's stick you in the ramekin. So how you guys doing today? Don't forget you can check me out on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Sorry, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. I don't know why I try to talk with a mouthful of food. Jesus, thank you. Guys, this meat, it is so good. I love it. Here we go. I'm not a fan of the mustard though. The mustard, This one guy, I think I told you guys this. I was watching this video. He ate the whole innards of the crab. I can't do it. I don't like the texture of it. I'm a texture person. That's why I never could eat chitterlings. Like all that crazy food, nah. Like octopus, squid, nope. Cannot do, will not do. I don't like squid or octopus because I'm not sliding nothing squiggly wiggly down my damn throat. I cannot do it, nope. If it's squiggly wiggly, no. It can't happen here. When you eat seafood, don't try to be cute, look good and everything, and try to stay clean. This is a messy entree. It's supposed to be messy. It's meant to get messy and enjoy it. I'm gonna say that. There's a lot of meat in this crab though. And sometimes you get crabs, you all. Sometimes it might look big, but it's no meat in it. Crackhead crabs. I had those before. I wasn't gonna cook today. Well, I just heated it up. But this is really good. I'm not gonna drink today, you all. So this morning, well, earlier today, I had water all day. This is my first time going to this unsweetened tea. I've been tearing that water up. This is so good. Very good. Are y'all asleep or y'all awake? Hanging in with me now. Oh, I saw you guys falling asleep in my lives lately. And I don't like that. When you come to my lives, get your rest, please, and don't fall asleep. You're embarrassing yourself. Anytime we gotta tell you to just go to bed, do it. And y'all know I'm joking. I don't know what's going on. I've been falling asleep in my lives. I'm telling y'all, I'm not a night person. I'm an early shift, early in the morning. You get to like after 7 o'clock, nah, it's a stretch. For me to stay up, I have to take a nap. That's good. So that I can stay awake. And I got corn on between my teeth. I can feel it. We're gonna save those. Oh, here we go. Get that meat. Now, if you're real hungry, eat the shell of the crab. Go ahead and eat it. But do it off camera, because we're gonna talk about you. This little bit of food, sometimes I wish the shell was edible. But actually, this is gonna fill me up. I'm not really a big eater. Thank you to everybody who wished me a Merry Christmas. I appreciate you. I got text messages. I got comments on my videos. Phone calls. You know. Tossing time, y'all. Let's toss before we floss. Wow. This is the part I hate. Good and messy, all at the same macaroni cheesy time. There I go, inventing words again. Now y'all know y'all come to Sticks and Charles videos. You never know what you're gonna get. Y'all know I'm a little special. Oh God, look at this, y'all. This is what I hate. A oodle and noodle. Don't eat that. That's a oodle and noodle. I don't eat crab, oodles, and noodles. Like a worm or a long booger. My nose running. Look at all this meat. Somebody's might put hot sauce in the sauce. I forgot who told me, but I'm glad you told me. It's actually good. Again, I don't eat butter like that. Yes, it's on my corn, but I'm not a butter. Oh, Lord. Another oodle and noodle from the crab. Y'all see that? Who eats that part of the crab? And why is it developing inside the crab? We gotta change the crab's DNA to omit that organ, whatever you call it. The crab should come out already ready to eat. I shouldn't have to go through all this foolishness. Let's get to this little bit of meat. And be cussing because you can't find the meat. And be cussing because there ain't enough meat. All right, here we go. Get your bite. Get you a bite. CJ and Sharice, when y'all come up there, this is what we're gonna get. Some seafood. We're gonna break it down. I'm trying to get all my work finished because tax season is around the corner. That's when I'm gonna get very busy again. Oh God. Hold up, get the scrap meat. I know some of y'all eat the whole crab, but again, I am not Jeffrey Dahmer. There's certain things in this crab, I'm sorry, I just can't eat it. Ain't no way. No can do. And this mustard. Maria mustard. Oh, nope. Nope, can't eat that. Okay. Then you get frustrated. Take 3 bites, the crab is gone. Finish eating crabs, gotta eat some Chinese food. Drink a lot of beer, soon get full. Faster. All these oodles and noodles. Crab, can you please not have these? There's some crabs got more oodles and noodles than the others. Let's dip in the sauce. Dip, baby, dip. A lot of meat. I really like this hot sauce, and it's really good. It gives it a it actually tastes kind of sweet to me. It's vinegar, crystal hot sauce, and Old Bay. Well, Joe number 2. Well, it's like Old Bay. Tossing the crab solid. Y'all so crazy. You guys are crazy. It's good. If you got sensitive teeth, hey, wash these crabs down and mess your teeth up. Don't break your teeth. Good, good, good. All right, y'all. You ready? It's time to what? Toss. I don't know why I came up with that phrase, tossing the crab salad. But, hey, I am sticks in charge, so you just never know what you're going to get. And the crab gave me COVID. Crab, you are not going to social distance from me. Not in this meal, not in this day, in this moment in time. Oh, no. You are all going down the hatchet. Through the gates of hell. Make sure no oodles noodles in here. Hey, Vicky. Vicky's World. What's going on, my friend? I saw your seafood video, and you were right. Those crabs are pitiful. When you come down this way, I'm gonna get some. We're gonna get some crabs. Guys, this is so good. That's all. It is so good on these crabs. It's real good. Wouldn't it be nice if you just had a plate full of, like, someone clean the crab stuff for you and just put it on your plate. It's already like shelled and cleaned and everything. It's ready to eat. I wish These crabs came like that. They probably cost a fortune too. I can feel the stuff all between my teeth. It feels weird. Y'all okay over there? Y'all wait? I hope everybody's enjoying their holidays. I am. Mine is kind of quiet. I've been to myself. I have not gone anywhere. So, except when I went out that night with my friends on Friday. We had a grand old time. Really, really good time. We're going to do it again. We're going to definitely do it again. By the time you all see this video, that video would have dropped. It's already kind of edited. I have to do some finishing touches to it. You know, I would say it's 70% finished. That's what I would say. I'm not full. I'm just getting frustrated with going through this crap. Eating crabs can be very, very frustrating. Because you sit up here, you know, you gotta fight the meat. You gotta go on a scavenger hunt. Cuss a little bit. Use a crab cracker. Probably slap the person to your left. If you're in public, don't do that. You might get beat up. I do not condone violence, everybody. Violence is never the answer to addressing your problems. If you're an adult, use your words. In the words of Pamela. I got one more over here. Then I gotta do these claws over here. All right, guys, say it with me. Tossing time. A seafood toss. Hold up. Okay, about to say, I'm not wasting my meat. Yuck. I'm not going to waste the meat at all. I'm telling you guys, make this vinegar, Old Bay, and hot sauce. It is good. Now, if you like butter, add butter to it. Butter is just not my thing. Sorry. Of course, if I go to Crafty Crab, I know that sauce has butter in it. That's different. But at home, I don't make it that way. And then too, Crafty Crab sauce, it is on the salty side, so of course I don't eat it like that. Which is why I don't have pressure problems. I do not have any problems with my pressure, everybody. Oh, look at that. Look, on both sides. Oh, yeah. Ah. That's right, get it out of there. Also, I do not lick my hands So you would not see me licking my hands on this video. I don't like doing that. This is good. Ah, come on out of there. Don't be scared. Come on out of there. One of these days, I'm gonna bite this crab down and break my darn teeth. And that will not be good. Dental. Anything's expensive. I still get my implant put back in my mouth. On the side of it, on my left. Oh yeah, it's almost came out. This sauce is good. Very, very good. Very good. And be careful when y'all bite these crabs, because these crabs can and it will scratch the inside of your mouth. These things are sharp. I'm trying to think, in the ocean, has anybody ever been bit by a crab or pinched by a crab? I don't think I heard that. I heard about sharks biting people and then jellyfish stinging people. But I never heard of anybody like getting, I guess, bit by a crab. Or should I say, clawed by a crab? Does it happen? Oh yeah. Nope, I can't eat none of that side over there. That's nothing but shell and oodles and noodles. And thank you guys again for going to my lives. I appreciate it. I really do. Another shower is needed because I smell like crabs now. I'm spinning crab juice all over my arms and everything. Go to bed with some funky sheets. And I wake up the next morning. Sheets smell like crab sheets. It's funny because crabs do stink. When you go, when you go to a seafood restaurant, it's funny how something can smell so bad, but it tastes so freaking good. That's weird to me. Like, you would think that if it smells bad, it's gonna taste bad. Like those grilled oysters from McCormick and Schmidt, I would never get it again. It stink when they grilled it. I don't like the way it smells, but it was okay. I prefer it raw or fried. And I'm surprised they don't fry oysters at McCormick and Smith. I'm really shocked about that. Very shocked. Okay. We got more claws down here, y'all. I got one more over there. One whole crab over there. Oh, look at that. That thing just came on out. I got quite a few claws over here. Let's eat this sucker up over here. I got trash on top of the crabs. Sorry, crab. Let's toss. I did not put the seasoning on these crabs. I stopped doing that. I'm flinging juice everywhere because when you heat the crabs up, I don't like how to. I do not like how this, crabs taste with this seasoning on there. It changes the taste. You might be okay with it, but not me. Mustard. You cannot be in the house when it's time for you to go. You got to get the heck up out of here. Here. Use my roller, my mustard roller, to get that mustard out. It's gonna be warm this weekend, you all. About raining here in the DMV. And my goal here is not to do any work on the weekend. There is one thing I gotta do. I'm gonna do that between today and tomorrow. Nothing's complicated. I can get it done. I think this weekend, I'm going to start catching up on people's videos. I do not want to get too far behind. But lately, I've been very tired. And that's a sign that my sugar is up, everybody. When you're very, if you're a diabetic and you are falling asleep a lot, you're very tired, that's a sign right there. So that's another reason why I'm not able to like stay up late. This is so good. Tomorrow, I'm gonna get up and make me some beans. I haven't had beans in a minute. And I love my beans. I'm not gonna cook rice, but it's gonna be onions in the beans though. Make no mistake about it. Make no mistake about it. Trust me. Guys, we're almost there. We are almost there at the finish line. Sorry, CJ. I didn't put Frank's in my sauce this time. But the next time I make this sauce, I'm going to try it with Frank's. I'm going to get the regular Frank's. I hope everybody is gearing up for 2025. Because it's around the corner. Like, I'm the kind of person, like, people want to, get upset about a lot of stuff that's going on in the world. Whatever's going to happen, y'all, it's going to happen. Don't overthink it. Don't, read too much into everything. I'm sorry. Don't read too much into everything. You got to learn how to bounce back, Some people are greedy. Some people, they only think about themselves and not other people. It happens. So, if today's time has not taught you to be humble, I don't know what can happen to make you humble, to be more humble. You know, it's a crazy world we live in. Come on, meat, come out of there. Oh, yeah. Come on. Guys, these crabs, when I say these crabs are good, I like my crab hot though. So, it's easy if somebody is here. So, let's say somebody's over here with me. I'll drop some crabs in the pot. And then, once we get close to finishing eating those crabs, I'll drop another batch in the pot so the crabs will be hot. I don't like, when the crabs get cool, I lose the taste for it. Because I like my food hot. Temperature hot and spice hot. If you don't know that about Sticks in Charge. Guys, I'm craving beans like it's nobody's freaking business. Okay, come on out of there. Stop being stubborn. You're going down the hatch. These claws are the bomb. The bomb's jiggly. Let me see. Oh, got meat in here and in here. Hold on. I got one right here. Guys, keep those claws now. That's when you start cussing. When you open a crab up and the meat don't cooperate. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. I'm filming the video, planes. Shut up. You must say, where's the crab cracker? I don't feel like dirtying up any dishes. So I'm using my teeth because I'm being lazy. Ain't about my kitchen floor. That's what I need to do. I gotta find a day to go to the grocery store. But I don't like going to the store on the weekends. One, I want to sleep in some. And then two, I mean, I can go. I'll go when they first open. But I'd rather go on a weekday. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. This one, you know, crabs are good. But now it's getting frustrating. Now I'm getting frustrated. I gotta stop. If I keep going, I'm gonna need a moment to cuss. So let's stop right here. We're trying to keep this graded PG. I'm not trying to go into triple X territory with my vulgar language. It's gonna be definitely adult content. Yeah, I'm done. Besides, I don't want this video. I do not want this video to be too long. Look, then your hands be nasty. Then you look at your hands, you start cussing because your hands dirty. Look at the kitchen floor, you cuss some more because you know when you crack glass is on the floor. Then you look at your shirt, you gotta cuss again because see, it's just messy. Then you get stuff in your skin, you gotta cuss again. Then you gotta cuss because you gotta put the trash out because you can't keep this crap in the house, it's gonna stink. Then you gotta cuss again because after you eat the damn crabs, guess what? A couple minutes later, you're hungry again. And if you don't eat the crabs up and you have some in your freezer, you're gonna cuss again because when you go to the store, these things take up a lot of space in the freezer. So, I don't know. I should name this video the Cursing Crabs. Crabs make you curse. I don't care what people tell you. Crabs make you curse. Onions make you happy. Oh my God. That corn was so good though. I got a lot of corn on the cob in the freezer. I should do an oven method boil, seafood boil. Let me see. No, but I need to get some other stuff to do that though. That's a lot of prep work too. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be notified on my new content. But don't just stop there. Look at my old content. You can also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I do post over there. I'm going live soon on Instagram. I'm not sure which day yet. And if you don't remember, on YouTube, every Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I go live for my Zen Sunday. On TikTok, I go live Monday through Friday between the hours of 5:30 and 6:30 a.m. And I stay live for like an hour or two. I cut it off at 8 because I have to work. Then on Fridays on TikTok, I do my happy hour, and that starts between 4 and 5 p.m. So that's my live schedule. Then for the most part, I do drop videos daily, but every now and then, depending on work, things may not be dropped every single day, but I do try to stay on top of that. So in the meantime and in the between time, mind your own damn business. Keep folk out your business and stop all that damn gossiping. It's not cute and it's not good. So don't do it. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you are enjoying the holidays with your loved ones, drinking responsibly, and, making your memories. I'm out of this mother. Now I gotta deal with this shit.